I pulled this screwdriver out of my project box after seeing one that Dale at Dale's workshop did recently. His was in a lot rougher shape than this one, but when I picked this one up, I saw something that really interested me. At first glance, it appears to be just a regular stubby screwdriver, but closer inspection shows that there's part of a word and that there might be other words hidden inside the handle. So let's see if we can get this screwdriver to reveal its secret. I'll start by trying to separate the shank from the handle. Surprisingly, neither the shank nor the ferrule sustained much damage during that operation. It reads United Tempered USA. I don't know if this screwdriver was originally manufactured as a stubby screwdriver or whether someone inadvertently converted it to a stubby screwdriver by whaling on it. Judging by its overall condition, I'm inclined to believe that it was made that way. Regardless, when I'm through, I intend for all the lettering to be visible. Now the labor-intensive work starts. Lots of wet sanding and working with the fiber wheel and buffing wheels. I'm using a file to dress up the blade edges that were damaged during the extraction of the handle.
noticed that you have a bad hand there. Are you wounded?
Had a little fishing accident on R&R, sir.
Fishing on R&R.
Yes, sir.
Like Captain Willard, this will not prevent me from accomplishing my mission. I'm going to use a dowel to reduce the depth of the hole in the handle in order to make all the lettering on the shank visible. I'm using some epoxy to secure the shank into the handle. The bigger hammer is usually the answer. So here we are after some red mahogany stain and a few coats of polyacrylic. All of this screwdriver's secrets are exposed, and I think it came out pretty well. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I read and respond to every comment. So until next time, thank you very much for watching.